What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Atomic Tom's Sobro Garage. Today we are just fitting up some pieces and parts. So if you're doing this 5-liter into your 1960 F100, these are some of the things you need to look for. Okay, I have GT40P heads, upper and lower intake on my 5-liter. So here's the issue. As you can see, the upper intake is flopped around. The throttle body ran into the filler neck on the valve cover issue. So I'm going to have to cut that down so I can get a cap on. As you can see here, I've got it flopped around 180 degrees, which also that elbow goes 180 as well. But what happens here is my intake, where the mass air filter is, runs into my power steering filler neck. So there's some issues there that I have to resolve. All the wiring and the wiring harness seems to fit. All right, this bolt seems to bolt up just fine, even though it's flopped around backwards. It looks weird this way. I'm not sure if your stock battery box was here. This is just the box that came with the truck. So when I bought it. So it doesn't mean that it came there from the factory, because the holes don't match up. It looks like there's only one that actually lines up. And this other one is like, I don't know where. But anyway, so this looks like an aftermarket box or an add-on or afterthought anyway. All right, let's take a look at some other stuff. Continuing on with the harness and the fitment. So this is our grommet that needs to pass through the firewall. This is like 1.5 inches wide by, I don't know, maybe 2.5 long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill my hole right in this upper indent. If you have this truck, you'll know how this little surface works. So there's nothing behind here, no venting. The heater is down this way. So I think coming in here will keep the wires nice and high, out of sight. And you can probably tuck them and make your way back to the grouping that you need over by the pedals, if that's how you're wiring your car or truck. I don't know. What's up to you? But you can see we're getting almost zero clearance here with this. Again, I don't know if this is factory box or not. What else? Here's all my mess that continues to has to be stuffed inside the car. This is everything behind the grommet goes in the car. Also, fuel regulator had to come off the fuel rails to get this thing to sit when you flop it in this direction. So this configuration, you're then gonna have to make some moves somewhere else. I don't know if that means new fuel rails for me, or if I can buy a piece that, you know, covers where this used to be. And then I already have another fuel regulator anyway, but I don't know. Also, your belt configuration, should you drop AC, keep power steering with the CV swap. This is what it looks like. Obviously, this is way too big because I've dropped some stuff. But as you can see, so we go under tensioner, around the alternator, around the crank, and back around the water pump this way. Okay? Go this way to the water pump, to power steering, right? Got it? But this way I can at least cut this apart, or I can crimp it, and then I can get a measurement. So it's not going to be, they say it's trial and error and 100 trips to the auto parts store to find the right belt, but I think that's the configuration you need. So pause it here, take some notes, and I think that's just about it for this update. It's kind of tough. Kind of disappointing not being able to get this stuff to work. I really thought, I didn't think this would get in the way. I thought that would have plenty of room to go this way. And I didn't think, you know, the oil filler neck would. I just really like these valve covers. I don't know, they're old school. They're my favorite. I really don't like anything else that's out there. So I may just cut this, find another piece, maybe move it over so it comes up. It has a little jog in or something, almost like a trap in a plumbing pipe. I don't know. We'll come up with something. But anyway, that's progress today on Sunday. So, call it quits for now. All right, I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.